have wheels and carry people. Am I a bus or a bed? The answer is bus. I am yellow and found in the sky. Am I the moon or the sun? That's right, it's sun. I can be written on. Am I a wall or a notebook? The correct answer is notebook. I keep your feet dry in rain. Am I shoes or umbrella? Yes, it's shoes. I have a long neck and eat leaves. Am I a giraffe or a cow? The answer is giraffe. I am cold and made of frozen water. Am I ice or fire? That's right, it's ice. You use me to eat soup. Am I a fork or a spoon? The correct answer is spoon. I can swim and say quack quack. Am I a duck or a dog? Yes, it's duck. I protect your head. Am I a helmet or a pillow? The answer is helmet. I have pages and tell stories. Am I a book or a plate? That's right, it's book. I shine at night, but I am not a star. Am I a lamp or a cloud? The correct answer is lamp. I am round and show the world map. Am I a globe or a table? Yes, it's globe.